It's Live Lounge. James, how are we doing? You good?
Yep, still great.
Fantastic. Always good, always good. That first song, amazing. That sounded really good. Really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Really enjoyed it. So you're going to do the second one for us. What's this one?
It's called I Wanna Be Yours. And it's not by Arctic Monkeys, it's by me.
Is it? Nice, I like that. Right, I'll leave you to it. All yours.
You look like my next mistake. Even my best love or another bloody heartbreak. I feel at times that my Sundays are getting shorter, but I can't help it, 'cause I'm infatuated. But what am I to do? I'm all hung up on you. I can't see straight when I'm around you. You make my vision blurry, but I can't see any clearer. My head's in the way of my heart, but it's still beating, 'cause I found you, and now it won't move on. 'Cause what if I don't find another? Oh, what if no one else could take my faults? That's okay, I don't want another, I wanna be yours. And now I've lost all composure. My mind keeps running off the tracks. You can't help me, I am all in pieces. Don't bother putting me back together, I will only drag you down. 'Cause I know you can find another, and I'll end up let it on my own. 'Cause you're perfect and I cannot help you, all I do is cry and moan. 'Cause what if I don't find another? And what if no one else could take my faults? But that's okay, I don't want another, I wanna be yours. Be yours, I wanna be yours, wanna be yours, wanna be yours, wanna be yours.
Wow. And you wrote that yourself?
Yes, that's mine.
How long did that take?
2 weeks.
Wow.
I
Incredible.
got it recently recorded.
Yeah.
So once I get it onto like my phone as a file, I'll try and get it out somewhere.
Yeah, definitely. Well, for those who are listening, and obviously yourself, James, as well, what we do is these two magicians in front of you that they do the filming and the music as well. What they'll do is they edit the video, we get it onto social media page, we'll send you a copy of that, and you can use it as a promo anyway. It's incredible. Thank you very much.
Perfect.
Cheers.
Playing the very best music that's allowed on the air. Carl Mott live in the Bradford studio. This is St. Luke's Sound.